Good morning, students. So today we are going to start a new chapter, that is lines and angles, right? But before starting the chapter lines and angle, first we will discuss some basic things, right? This is known as point, right? And this is known as a ray. Ray means if it means a line started from one point, right? If any line is going in any direction, means here it can go infinite and here it can go infinite. This is known as line, right? So ray has only one direction and line has two directions, right? And if we cut a part from a line, so the AB is the line segment, right? And yeah, if there are two rays with common vertex, right, and they made a figure that is known as angle, right? It goes anti-clockwise direction, right? Because clock goes this direction and angle we take anti-clockwise direction, right? So these are the basics what we have to understand. Now come to the topic, lines and angles. Right? So you know about the angle. If any angles, means if any two angles basically, or specifically if any two angles sum is 180 degree, then that particular angle is known as supplementary angle, right? Suppose here is one angle, this is AOB, and here is another angle BOC, right? So this makes angle 180 degree. So if sum of angle AOB plus angle ABOC, right, if this equals 180 degree, this type of angle is known as supplementary angles, right? Here there's three types of angles, means there is three angles here. One is angle AOB, second one is angle BOC, and third one is angle AOC, right? This is a straight line at point A, means a straight line is always making an angle 180 degree on a point, right? So this angle is 180 degree, right? On a straight line, the sum of angles right, if there are two angles on a straight line, so the sum of these angles is 180 degree, right? And this is known as supplementary angles, you know. Now come to next point, that is complementary angles, right? If sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree, suppose this is angle 1 and this is angle 2, right? So if sum of angle 1 plus sum of angle 2, it becomes 90 degree, it means this angle is complementary. Right? So you have to remember that if the sum of two angles is 180 degree, that particular angle is supplementary. And if sum of two angles is 90 degree, then that angle is known as complementary angles. Right? If A, O, B and C. So here there are two angles, one is AOB and another is BOC. If two angles has one common vertex, right? If two angles has one common vertex, that is known as adjacent angles. If two angles has common vertex, that angle is known as adjacent angles. So adjacent angle can be either type. Suppose this is also means this angle 1, this angle 2 is also adjacent here. If you made two angles, right, AOB, BOC, these two angles, suppose 1 and 2, they are also adjacent, right? Suppose you made this type of complementary, this is also known as adjacent angles, right? So adjacent angle means adjacent angle always has a common vertex, right? In this and in this case you can also see, right? So adjacent angles always has common vertex, right? Now come to linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles means if two adjacent angles has the value 180 degree, means sum of two adjacent angle if is 180 degree, that angle is known as linear pair of angle, right? So here angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree, so it is known as linear pair of angles, right? Now, if there are two lines, right? If there are two lines, this line is suppose AB, another line is C and D, right? And they intersect at a point, suppose O, right? So angle AOD means this angle is vertically opposite to this angle because these angles are opposite angles of one vertex, right? So that's why they are known as vertically opposite angle, right? And this angle is also vertically opposite to this angle, right? So it is only applicable in that case when there are intersection of two lines is given, right? So at that point where they intersect, the vertically opposite angles are formed, right? And one last thing, and it also makes an angle 360 degree right here. So if these are vertically opposite angles, right? And they also make 360 degree angle. And one more thing, suppose it is given, right, O, A, B, C and D, right? So this is also a linear pair of angles, right? These two are adjacent angles, so they made 180 degree. Sum of the angles is 180 degree, so they made linear pair. This is also linear pair of angle. This is also linear pair of angles, right? And this is also the linear pair of angles, right? And sum of all the angles means on a particular point, this point O, they made 360 degree angle. I'm just going to take one question. A question is given as right, this angle is given as 56 degree, this is given as 100 degree, this is given as 74 degree, and this is given as x degree, and you have to find out the x, right? So on this point O, this is O, mark it, A, B, C and D. So point O is making the angle 360 degree in total, right? So sum of all the angles, means there are 4 angles, sum of all the angles must be equal to 360 degree. So 100 degree plus 56 degree plus 74 degree plus x degree is equal to 360 degree, right? They are also known as complete angles. So 6 plus 4 10, 0, 7 plus 5 12, 1 13, 1 and 1 2. 230 degree plus x degree, that equals 360 degree. So x is equal to 360 degree minus 230 degree, that equals 130 degree, and that is the answer. One question I am taking for the supplementary type of question, in supplementary type of angle. Suppose a question is given as you can also say that linear pair of angle. Here this is 2x minus 25 degree, this is 3x plus 5 degree, right? You have to find out the actual values of these given angles, right? So mark it is O, suppose O, A, B and C, right? So you know these are adjacent angles. You can also say that linear pair of angles. So angle AOC plus angle BOC makes 100 degree angle. So 3x plus 5 degree plus 2x minus 25 degree, that equals 180 degree. Just solve it for x. So 5x minus 20 degree, 25 minus 25 plus 5, that is 20, 180 degree. So 5x is equal to 180 degree plus 20 degree, that equals 200 degree. So 5x equal to 200 degrees. So x is equal to 200 divided by 5, that is 40. So x is equal to 40 degree angle. So now put the value of x in these equations. So 3x plus 5 degree equals 3 into 40 plus 5, that is equal to 4 3 are 12, 120 plus 5 degree, that equals 125 degree. So either you put the value or just subtract 180 minus 125, that equals 55 degree, right? So these type of questions all come And one question I'm taking for the concept of vertically opposite angles. These are two lines, right? Suppose this angle is given as 40 degree. This is O, A, B, C and D. You have to find out this, this and this, right? So for the concept of the concept of vertically opposite angle, this angle means angle BOA or AOB is vertically opposite to angle COD, means both the angles are equal. So if this is 40 degree, this is also 40 degree angle, right? This is also 40 degree angle, and you know two adjacent angles are making a linear pair. So this is a linear pair of angle, right? So it means 180 degree minus 40 degree. They are making 180 degree angle, right? So this, if this angle is 40 degree, this angle is 180 degree minus 40 degree, that equals 140 degree, right? So if this is 140 degree, this is also 140 degree, because this angle is vertically opposite. So these type of question they are asking in the lines and angles chapter, right? So practice the questions. If you face any problem, just ask me. Till then, stay safe, stay at home, be happy, do practice mathematics and do whatever you want to do. Okay, take care, bye.